Hi, this is Riaz, and today we will see the process of disassembling manufactured products in Odoo. A manufactured product is initially put through quality check process. If the product quality is not good, we disassemble the product into its raw materials. Now let us begin with the disassembling process in Odoo. Initially, we have a manufacturing order for a product which is in done stage. Suppose the quality is not good, so we need to disassemble them. You need to click on the Disassemble button. After adding the quantity, you will get the list of raw materials used to produce them. Now, depending on the quality of the raw material, you can either scrap it or send it back to the stock. If you select Back to Stock, a stock move is generated from production location to stock location for that raw material. And if you select Scrap, a stock move is generated from production location to stock location and then from stock location to scrap location. After disassembling, inside finished product, you can see a stock move being created from finished goods location to disassemble location. To check the stock moves, you need to go inside warehouse and then click on Stock Moves. For more information regarding this module, you can also visit our blog. Thank you for watching our video.